Let's pretend that I'm having a normal call with a client. These are the tips that I would tell them in order to select a rug and then to purchase, whether it's a designer high or even a low. The first thing I actually have people do is to go to Rugs Direct and take their Rug Finder quiz. It is hands down the best resource on the internet. You're going to figure out your style, and then it's going to prompt you with questions about your lifestyle so you can determine if the investment is worth it. Because, like, why are rugs so expensive? After this quiz, you'll have a complete understanding of why. And then you're going to feel confident about your decision and your budget. So for budget-friendly options, I would go to HomeGoods, H&M, Zara, Overstock, Wayfair, Target. My design broker Amazon storefront has all the lookalikes in my list, and also Walmart and World Markets. But sign up for their text updates for good discount codes. Now, if you want designer, we're talking Crate and Barrel, Lulu Georgia, Pottery Barn, or even To The Trade brands. You're going to send us that link, and then we will work you up a quote with your trade pricing and tell you your best options for that particular rug. And don't worry, we will let you know where the cheapest place is to get that designer rug. If this was helpful, follow for more shopping tips and drop any questions below.